everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off apps drawer on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want all of your application on your cell phone to appear on the main screen, you can disable the apps drawer so that all the application on your cell phone will appear on the home screen. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. But first, I want to show you what is app drawer. So yeah, basically app drawer is if you swipe up, and here's the app drawer is. And so yeah, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down, and then here's now you can go to home screen. After that, now you can go to home screen layout over here, and then now you can click home screen only and click apply. So yeah, basically all of the application on your cell phone will move to home screen. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.